Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen, and now let's move on with number slicers. And with number slicers, I will first create a visual matrix visual, then we'll see how we can use our number slicers. So I'll click on this matrix, and then I want to drag a subcategory. I want to drag a subcategory and drop under rows, and then I will also drag sales amount and drop under values. So we want to know within a given sales amount value which customers were in that group. Like now, when items are selling from 1 to 6, the least amount we can sell an item is $1 and the highest amount is $6. So you want to know when we choose maybe between 1 and 6, maybe $4, how many customers were within that group. So here I will click on this slicer, then I will drag and drop sales amount, and then the sales amount is just the price list of items that we are selling from $2 to $35.78. So the least amount we can sell an item is $2 and the highest amount we can sell an item is $35.78. So let me just choose the option of list, and then now we have quite a big list, but let me just try to choose $2. We see the items that were sold at a value of $2, and you can see we sold tires and tubes. When I choose $4, we sold steel tires and tubes. When I choose 5, we sold bottle and cages, tires and tubes. When I choose 8, we sold cleaners. When I choose 9, we sold bottle and cages, cups and socks. And when I choose 378, we sold road bikes. When I choose $21.82, we still sold road bikes. And then when I choose $23.84, now we sold touring bikes. And when I choose the highest value, $35.78, and that price was meant for road bikes. So ladies and gentlemen, I hope you understood how we can use the number slicers, and let's meet again in the next video.